How to give Robux to people on Roblox. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Roblox application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, once you have opened Roblox, tap on the More option on the bottom right of your screen and scroll down and you will see the Create option. Tap on that and now in the interface that you will be led to. Tap on the three lines on the top left of your screen and then select the Creations option you see there. Now, go ahead and select the place from where you want to give the Robux to your friend, and once selected, tap on the three lines on the top left of your screen again. Here you will see the monetization drop down, tap on that and then tap on the passes option you see there. Now, tap on the Create a Pass button and go ahead and create a pass. Or if you want, you can also gift people from your existing pass. So tap on any of the existing pass that you already have. Once you have selected the pass that you want to give with the people, tap on the three lines on the top left of your screen again and you will see the sales option. Tap on that and further enable the item for sale toggle button and then set the default price for your pass. Finally, tap on the Save Changes button and now go back to Roblox and then tap on the search bar and search for the Please Donate game, or you can also scroll through and tap on the Please Donate game. Once opened, go ahead and play the game and you will see the gift icon on the left side of your screen. Tap on that and in the pop-up that appears, enter the username and the message for the gift that you want to send to the people and then tap on the gift option you see there. Once tapped, you will be required to select the amount of Robux that you want to gift, so tap on it and then with this your gift will be sent. So this is how you can give Robux to people on Roblox. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.